How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Watch the video till the end. First of all, you just have to go to your file manager on your device. Once you open the file manager, just scroll all the way down and select internal storage under storage uses or storage devices, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you open it, select Android and here select media. Once you reach on this media page, select com.whatsapp and then select WhatsApp. Once you have done that, select databases. Then you have to select all these files. Once you select it, you have to copy this. And once you have copied, you just have to select the internal storage and again select Android. Here you need to select media, then select com.whatsapp and here you need to select WhatsApp and select here select backups. Once done, you have to add new folder and select copy to folder option, and it has already been pasted there as well. So in this way you can easily recover the deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment in our video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates.